I have my lights going horizontal and a nice long strip going down, which I left on. And I got my other light right here going up and down, vertical only, without one strip going. Tonight we're going to see how they light up, which one you like best. It looks good. Maybe take away the center bar in there, but I think I'll leave it the way it is, and I'm happy. Don't need that lightsaber bar, that's for sure. You look behind it, it don't shine at all. So yeah, smoking it out. It's got a nice glow. A nice glow indeed. Smoke in the back. That is my plan. It's got a beautiful glow. I'm happy. Are you happy? Would you like to do one? Post below.